Ever downloaded an app for that awesome feature and then crickets? Yep, it's a common tale. Hi again, this is Sarah from UserGuiding, and today we're diving into the 7 golden strategies to not just introduce, but truly endear your new feature to users. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Interactive tutorials and guided tours. Jumpstarting our list are interactive tutorials. The goal, hands-on learning. Pros, users learn by doing, boosting their confidence and skill. The catch, it's a bit of a time eater to craft, but with user guiding, you can whip up an engaging tutorial in minutes. No coding needed. Just look at Indicado's 47% adoption spike. Tempted? Free trials in the description. 2. Gamification and incentives. Pros include fun engagement and rewarding milestones, which drive users back for more. But beware, if you overdo it, users might lose sight of the feature's real value. Duolingo nails this with their addictive streak feature, making language learning irresistibly fun. 3. Personalized onboarding journeys. Personalization is key. Tailor the journey to each user, skyrocketing relevance and adoption. The tricky part, it demands deep user insights and segmentation. Netflix masters this, offering recommendations so spot on that it feels like magic, making every feature feel custom-made. 4. Social proof and peer influence. Nothing sells like real user praise. It builds trust and creates a community vibe. The flip side, it leans heavily on genuine user engagement, but if you're confident you can get that engagement, this is your strategy. Airbnb's referral program is a stellar example, turning users into advocates and weaving a community of shared experiences. 5. Progressive feature rollout. Beta launches let you fine-tune features with real feedback, creating exclusivity and buzz. The challenge is managing user expectations and ensuring clear communication can be hard. But if you trust yourself to handle it, go ahead and give it a try. A good example would be Facebook's newsfeed. It showcases this strategy's power, blending innovation with user insights. 6. In-app feedback and surveys. Direct feedback channels like in-app surveys turn your app into a feedback powerhouse. They're fantastic for gathering insights and showing users you value their input. The downside, variable response rates and feedback quality. Evernote's approach to integrating surveys is a prime example of doing it right, ensuring continuous improvement based on user feedback. Oh, and if you're looking for an in-app survey solution that you can integrate with your in-app UX, check out UserGuiding's in-app surveys in the description. 7. Visual storytelling and teasers. Last but not least, visual storytelling. It builds anticipation and connects emotionally, making users eager to explore. The art, balancing hype and substance. Apple's teaser videos are iconic, transforming future reveals into must-see events, enticing users to dive and discover. So wrapping up, there you have it. 7 proven strategies to make your features not just used but adored. Share your success stories or strategies below. We love learning from you. If you're ready to tackle these strategies head on, check out UserGuiding's free trial link below. This was Sarah from UserGuiding. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.